going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're building a pole barn for one of our customers over a set of working pins. They actually had an old barn that we had to tear down. So the old barn was made out of old telephone posts, and they've pretty much just all rotted off in the concrete below the ground, so this old barn was in danger of collapsing. So we took to it and started tearing it down. We tore the whole barn down pretty much just with 2 Milwaukee Sawzalls and a chainsaw. Took it down piece by piece and safely got it down. So as you can see here, we used the Bobcat T650 and the auger attachment with the rock head on it to drill through the existing concrete slab. What we're doing here is we're drilling new holes for where the columns are going to be concreted into the ground. And once they're all concreted, we'll set the poles and weld them all up so we can set the trusses. So once we got all the holes dug, we then began concreting in the columns. As you can see here, we're going around using Satcrete to set all these posts in concrete. We got a little electric mixer that we use to mix up the Satcrete, and we set the posts in the ground, get them level where they need to be, and then we concrete them in. We'll let them set for a couple days. So as you can see here, the best part of having cab skid steers, once the operator's inside, you can't open the door, so I didn't have to get out and pour any concrete. So we got a couple of the columns started, poured in concrete. I took the skid steer, scraped all the dirt augerings away from the slab, and the slab was originally smaller than it's going to be now. So what we did is we took a concrete saw. You could see there we cut that straight line through there, and we're going to go ahead and form up new concrete all the way past the new column. So we're going to pour probably additional 6 inches of concrete to include the columns in the slab, as you can see here. So we got the additional concrete poured in the forms that we set, widening the slab out past the columns, as you can see here in this video, and making it more square and uniform along the edge than it used to be. So after about a week of all the concrete setting up, my dad and Heath were able to pretty much get the entire frame of the barn up in a couple of days while I was out doing a couple other jobs and working at the fire department. They got all the trusses set, and the other day I was able to help when we got the roof on, and then they started putting the sidewalls on. So as you can see here, it's starting to take shape and come together. We got a couple more sheets of tin to put on the ends of the barn, and then we'll start the west wall there, and once it's in, we'll start building the lean-to. So I'll probably have a couple more short videos of finishing up this barn, and then I'm going to do a series on the cattle working tub and chute that we're going to build going into the barn to work cattle in. So be on the lookout for that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you. I appreciate everybody that subscribes to help keep the channel going. And I'll see you guys next time.